the school ended up from day one about that things because everybody okay, there's international schools, so many people from everywhere in Turkey, but in the school they're free to be themselves. They're free to expose their cultures, everything. That's what I think helped her a lot because she felt home. That's what made her feel home in the school as well.
I think that's a very good point, actually, because I think being an international school, you have to be international. So it means that you're having people from all over the world speaking different languages, having different experiences. And when you put them together and everybody can adapt to each other, I think that makes it very comfortable for children because they're like a sponge. You know, they're taking in knowledge, experiences. And when they have this platform that everybody is from somewhere else, it's a very common ground, actually, which helps them all for just. So I think in Unik, yes, that was useful for Nadia because she already came from multicultural, different backgrounds and international, and then being in an environment with the international students and different cultures, I think it helped her a lot.